Hey everyone, herzlich willkommen. The topic is noun pluralization in German, and in the previous lessons you've learned 4 patterns for pluralization. Number 1, change the article to die, das Fenster, the window, die Fenster, the windows. Don't do anything to the noun, just change the article to die. In the second pattern you add e or an umlaut and e, so we have der Freund, die Freunde, the friend, the friends, der Stuhl, die Stühle, the chair, the chairs. In the third pattern, you add er or an umlaut and er, das Kind, die Kinder, der Mann, die Männer. In the fourth pattern, you add an en or nen, der Junge, the boy, die Jungen, the boys, die Frau, the woman, die Frauen, the women, die Freundin, the friend, die Freundinnen, the friends. So here's the last pattern. Add an S, just like in English. Let's look at an example. The car, das Auto, the cars, die Autos. Das Auto, the car, die Autos, the cars. I have one car. Ich habe, I have, ich habe. Ein, one. Auto. Ich habe ein Auto. I have a car, or one car. Ich habe ein Auto. I have 2 cars. Ich habe 2 Autos. I have 2 cars. Ich habe 2 Autos. So remember, just add an S, change the article first to die, and then add an S. Das Auto, die Autos. Okay, so here are your 5 patterns. And that's it for making nouns plural in German. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.